Is it the right time to make a move with Google stock? Today, we're delving deep into Google. We previously shared a report on our website on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Missing out on important updates that could impact your investments is not an option. Boost your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 25, 2023, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.64. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock has recently broken a weak rising short-term trend, indicating a slower rate of rise and possibly signaling a trend shift. This means that there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend, which is currently at $132.31. If the stock reacts and falls back to this level, it may provide a second chance to exit before further declines. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 6.5% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 11.24% and 20.28%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected 62.69% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 61.91% and 84.84%. In other words, the stock price could range from $205.09 to $234.14 after 1 year. Today's update on Google's stock price is quite significant. The headline reads, "A very red day for Google stock as it experienced a 9.6% fall in yesterday's trading session." Yesterday, on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, the Google stock price dropped by 9.6%. It started the day at $140.12 and closed at $126.67. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $126.09 and a high of $129.82, showing a 2.96% variation. In the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decline of 10.61%. Interestingly, even though the volume of shares traded increased by 35 million, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk in the upcoming days. Overall, approximately 57 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of $7.24 billion. Taking a broader perspective, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Google stock reached $142.38, while the lowest price was $83.45. Currently, the stock price is 11.03% or $15.71 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is a substantial 94.99% or $2,400.32 lower than its all-time high, which was recorded on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Today we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Google stock. On October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. KeyBank also weighed in on July 26, 2023, giving Google an overweight grade with a hold action. In May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Google stock. Let's start with the positive news. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has given a buy signal. This indicates a potential upward trend in the near future. However, there are also some negative signals to consider. Both short and long-term moving averages are showing sell signals for Google stock. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. As we analyze the price levels, we can see that there is resistance at $137.24 and $136.43. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -10.61%. It's important to note that further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This could be an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be closely monitored. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider when analyzing the market. The moving average convergence divergence has given a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands recently gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 152 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals and insights. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may experience a significant decline in the next couple of days. However, it's important to note that Google is typically traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which contributes to a lower risk level. Looking at its recent performance, the stock had a price range of $3.73, 2.96%, between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.21%. Before we jump into discussing potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio helps us understand how the company's current share price compares to its earnings per share. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is commonly observed in businesses with established track records or steady revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 31, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Google. If we observe an upward trend in the stock, the first resistance level for Google stands at $129.66. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this level could provide an opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't a significant support level from accumulated volume below. This implies that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. Therefore, it's crucial to exercise caution and only consider placing bets if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. According to multiple analysts, the combined average rating for Google is buy. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On October 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted an insider sell of 114 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted another insider sell of 86 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 2, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted an insider sell of 3,817 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 2, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted another insider sell of 7,700 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 2, 2023, Raghavan Prabhakar conducted yet another insider sell of 4,566 shares of Class C capital stock. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -89.158. Overall, insiders purchased 350,387 shares and sold 7,272,064 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this stock. Is Google stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, the Google stock currently has several negative signals. As a result, we believe that Google will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, October 26, we expect Google to open up 86 cents and start trading at $127.53. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, and it's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.